Welcome back to my channel. Wait, no, that's not how you're supposed to do it. Today we are impaling my sister with 3 pens. Nana अंदर घुसो, box का पूरा अंदर में घुसो जाओ. I'm gonna ask her to complete. Box का पूरा अंदर घुस जाओ. Nana, box का अंदर चला जाओ. Yeah, she's going in. We are wrapping. That was nothing. That was Anna, अंदर में ठीक है. Yeah, I've closed the box now. Now time to impale. This one. Yeah, I got that in. Now this one, this is not even a pen. Yo, got that. Now I'm gonna impale out here. Okay, that's it. Now I'm gonna remove them. Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna check out on my little senior. Nana, ठीक है? हाँ. आ जाओ. Oh my God! No holes on her body. She's alive. She's alive. You did that. I was filming. You're brushing. Oh my God, she's alive! Can you believe that, guys? She's alive! Look at her! No holes! Oh, weapon. Just waste. Oh my God! Okay, bye, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.